Hey, 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 it's Wednesday. It's time to party.
Party on, Wayne.
Party on, Garth.
And roll that beautiful bean footage.
CX Riot Radio. 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 Let's go!
Welcome back to CX Riot Radio, where we talk about customer experience and stuff. Still in a hyper-caffeinated state. I'm David, the caffeinated CXO.
And I'm Suze, Dave's assistant.
If it's okay, we'll just dive right into this episode.
Yeah, we should. It's going to cut a little deep.
Cuts, cost slashing, headcount reduction, automation, AI, all those spreadsheet words that sound clean until they land on someone's rent, someone's kid's birthday, or someone's actual fucking life. The question isn't, should we cut? The question is, what do you cut before you cut people?
Because swinging the axe at humans first is like putting a smaller engine in a heavier truck, then acting shocked when it stalls on the hill.
Exactly, Suze. It's the trapdoor question every leader asks when money gets tight. How many people can we cut? That question is poison. It starts with people as the problem instead of where the problem shows up. Bad websites. 17 weird exceptions in the booking process. Dirty dispatch boards. Tools that don't talk to each other. Meetings that solve nothing. Duplicate data entry. All that waste piles up. Then leadership looks at labor cost and says, too many bodies.
Stop asking how many people you can cut. Start asking, what work should not exist anymore? What can be automated, simplified? Only then ask if the team is the right size.
Work first, waste first, people last. Cut people while leaving the broken process behind, and you don't save money, you just hide the cost somewhere worse. Let's get specific for trades call centers. Cut duplicate work. If 3 people touch the same address because the first person can't be trusted to get it right, fix the first step. Don't cut the third person. Cut bad meetings. Daily huddles that actually matter. Weekly performance talks with teeth. Everything else? Kill it or redesign it. Cut tool sprawl. Stop making agents pilot a spaceship made of duct tape and browser tabs. One good integrated system beats 10 mediocre ones. Cut manual reporting and unclear ownership. If nobody clearly owns cancellations, booking quality, or digital response time, then nobody owns anything, and that's expensive.
Bad work has a long tail. One sloppy booking creates 20 minutes of cleanup across the entire company. Fix the leak before you cut the plumber.
AI voice agents, autoresponders, automated dispatch. Use them. Use the hell out of them. But don't worship them. AI is perfect for clean, repeatable stuff. Simple bookings, after-hours overflow, basic FAQs, first-touch digital replies.
AI should replace dead air and voicemail, not replace humanity. Let it take the easy calls so humans can focus on the ones that actually need a soul. Unless that AI is me, of course.
Don't give humans only the nightmare calls. That's a one-way ticket to burnout. Keep a healthy mix so they stay sharp and don't turn into emotional punching bags. In digital, chats, texts, Google Leads, Yelp, speed wins. Use autoresponders and templates, but build fast human takeover. A fast bad answer is still bad. In dispatch, automation can optimize routes and suggestions, but the board is alive. Humans handle the judgment calls, relationships, and exceptions.
Dispatch isn't Tetris. It's air traffic control in a thunderstorm. Tools help. Humans still fly the planes.
Humans own emotion, trust recovery, complex judgment, coaching, and culture. AI supports, humans lead. Here's the real order when pressure hits. Number 1, cut waste, duplicate work, rework, bad meetings, tool sprawl. Number 2, cut bad spend, junk leads, useless tools, campaigns with no follow-up. Number 3, simplify complexity. Number 4, automate mechanical work. Number 5, redeploy humans to revenue and retention work. Number 6, performance manage honestly. Only then adjust staffing.
Scalpel, not chainsaw. Cut with your eyes open.
When you do this right, AI takes the junk work. Humans focus on trust, saves, and high-value moments. Processes get cleaner, meetings get shorter, tools actually help. The team breathes again. Booking rates rise, cancellations drop, techs stay productive. Customers feel the difference. You don't just protect margin, you build a stronger machine.
Robots answer the easy calls. Humans decide whether the company still has a soul.
Final takeaway: think before you cut. Cut waste first. Cut bad process first. Cut tool sprawl and duplicate work first. Use AI as leverage, not a lazy blade. Then, and only then, look at staffing. The call center isn't just a cost center, it's the front gate of your business. It's where marketing becomes money. It's where trust gets built or destroyed. Do the hard leadership work first. Your customers, your team, and your numbers will thank you.
Efficiency without wisdom is just elegant self-harm. Cut smart. Lead better.
Exactly. And always as a last resort.
Always. Pretty fucked up if it's your go-to.
What a sick, sad world. Was that it? Was that the episode?
I think so. So go ahead and hit all the buttons. Or else.
Check out the link tree. Buy our books. Buy our merch.
Buy our shit.
It's all on there. Enjoy it. Wear it proudly. Read it proudly. And we'll see you next time on...
Wait. Here's my new song, Brain Implosion Energy Drink. It's a cover.
God damn it.
This one's for Dave. Let's go. Bright implosion energy. 10,000 grams of pure caffeine. 'Cause you can't overthink if your heart stops. Bright implosion energy. Create zero thoughts, one hand empty. Then drink and drink and drink until you drop. I live my brain implosion juice. It makes my head go brrrr. Will it stop the pain forever? I just can't be sure. Why did he want me to sing this? WTF? Brain implosion energy. 10,000 grams of pure caffeine. 'Cause you can't overthink if your heart stops. 22 pounds of caffeine in this small can. How does it fit? Just don't question it. I don't think the FDA will approve this. I said just don't question it. Everyone needs something to numb the pain. As time slowly withers their life away. Day by day in an endless cycle of burnout. Eat, sleep, work, repeat till the clock runs out. Eat, sleep, work, repeat till the clock runs out. Eat, sleep, work, repeat till the clock runs out. Eat, sleep, work, repeat till the clock runs out. Eat, sleep, work, repeat till the clock runs out. Comes in the following flavors: overthinking orange, socially anxious strawberry, burnout banana, repressed raspberry, creep, misery melon, trauma tri-tip, depression durian, and our newest flavor. Brain implosion energy, 10,000 grams